Woo! Welcome to Tool Talk Tuesday. I'm your host, David Doty Mirier. We've been invited here in London, Ontario by the detailing guys from Leavens Volkswagen. Come on, let's go have some fun. I'm here with Éric at Leavens Volkswagen. Éric, man, thank you for having me.
Yeah, no problem, man. It's
awesome,
good having
man.
you.
I love coming out here. A guy like you, professional detailer, you know how to make something smell good, man.
Yeah.
And look good too. Man, you mentioned about when you're cleaning and detailing, this is your go-to guy.
Yeah.
Tell me about it.
The Tornado. We also call it Top Gun. This thing will save your life. I love everything about it. I love the way I can control the flow on the rugs, get all the dirt.
Yeah.
It will take dirt, sand, stains, anything you could imagine. This beast will pull this out. Like, by far the best tool we've ever had in this shop.
And it works great. You put it on an air hose.
Yeah, right onto the airline, and then you're good to go nuts with it.
Cleans everything, anything from
seats, carpets,
right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Headliners.
Yep. And the pressure just pulls out the dirt.
Yeah.
What's your go-to chemical, Würth chemical you usually put in there?
Right here, where we got Eco Odor Eliminator.
The Eco
Comes in two, spring and kiwi.
Spring and kiwi. And you like?
The kiwi.
He loves the kiwi. He's an island man, I tell you. I love this product, man. Like you say, man, it's a go-to. You gotta have this product.
I use this thing like 12 times a day, if not more.
Even though, man. And you talked about time savings.
Oh yeah, it took me 30 minutes to do a shampoo on a rug without this. I'm now down to like 2-3 minutes on each rug.
20-30 minutes to clean a rug or carpet, you're down to 2-3 minutes.
Yeah.
Well, Éric, you know one thing is, you gotta show me where you use this.
Oh, all right. I'll put it into play.
Okay. Éric, show me this tornado.
I got you, brother.
And it's not wet. It does not leave any wetness in it, and it just pulls out the dirt, guys. Look at that.
It's like 10% fluid and then 90% air.
So it just jets everything out.
Yeah.
Amazing. Smells like kiwi. Top Gun, the tool to have, no doubt about it, in any cleaning job. What a great day, man. Had lots of fun, man.
Loved it.
Man. Loved it.
Look forward to seeing you again soon.
Anytime, man. Make sure you put some kiwi in it, right?
I put the kiwi in.